Alright, I am testing out my Kenmore washer. Just want to show you that everything on it works like it's supposed to. This is an HE machine, so it's very efficient. It does use plenty of water, and I have the lid switch off here. Just plugged in so we can open it up, and just wanted you to be able to see plenty of water in there. No shortage of water. So the clothes do get really clean. Doing an excellent job agitating. It's nice and clean. Everything on it works great. It's going through the wash portion right now, and what I will do is come back for the spin so you can see it's nice and even and level and no weird noises or anything like that. So then I'll show you the dryer. Okay, so it's moved over into the rinse cycle. It drained all the water out. That's what it's doing now. It'll go through a series of spinning and rinsing and filling up, agitate, draining, spinning, and then on to the final spin. Okay, we're on to that final spin cycle. It's running nice and fast, and there again I can show you. The pump is running as well, that's what that noise is. That way it can get the last little bit of water out. But it's spinning nice and fast, and normally you wouldn't be able to open that. It'd be locked in place. But that's just so I can show you it is spinning and it's nice and level and everything. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and let that finish up, and then we'll move on to the dryer. Okay, so I've got this guy cleaned out. It's nice and clean, and that's a pretty good size capacity, super capacity plus. And I've got those clothes moved over here to the dryer. And go ahead and just put that on time dry. Hit start. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice and balanced, no weird noises or anything like that. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll open this up and show you the temperature coming right out of the heating element tube there. Plenty of heat. Get those clothes nice and dry. Kick that back on and let those run all the way through. Otherwise, there you have it. The washer and dryer both shown to be working. Excellent condition. Both of them are pretty much like new on the outside. Maybe a couple little scuffs from moving, but other than that, excellent shape. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day.